Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Toy!
Toy.
Look, I have a shiny new toy. Tree.
Tree.
That tree has so many green leaves. Ball.
Ball.
My ball can bounce really high. Dog.
Dog.
The dog is running in the yard. Cat.
Cat.
The cat is hiding under the table. Car.
Car.
Dad's car is very clean today. Book.
Book.
This book has funny pictures. Pen.
Pen.
My pen has blue ink. Hat.
Hat.
I wear my hat when it's sunny. Chair.
Chair.
I sit on a comfy chair. Table.
Table.
The table is set for lunch. Shoe.
Shoe.
I tie my shoe by myself. Door.
Door.
Please close the door softly. Window.
Window.
I can see the sky from the window. Bird.
Bird.
The bird is flying in the sky. Flower.
Flower.
That flower smells so nice. Apple.
Apple.
I packed an apple for lunch. Banana.
Banana.
She peeled the banana slowly. Orange.
Orange.
This orange is juicy and fresh. Sun.
Sun.
The sun is bright and warm. Moon.
Moon.
The moon shines at night. Star.
Star.
I can count stars in the sky. Cloud.
Cloud.
A big cloud covers the sun. Rain.
Rain.
Rain falls on my umbrella. Snow.
Snow.
I made a snowball in the snow. Water.
Water.
I fill my cup with water. Milk.
Milk.
Milk helps make strong bones. Juice.
Juice.
I drink orange juice in the morning. Egg.
Egg.
Mom made a boiled egg. Bread.
Bread.
Bread goes well with butter. Cake.
Cake.
We had cake at the party. Fish.
Fish.
The fish swims in the tank. Duck.
Duck.
A duck waddles near the pond. Horse.
Horse.
The horse gallops in the field. Cow.
Cow.
A cow eats green grass. Goat.
Goat.
The goat has short horns. Sheep.
Sheep.
The sheep is covered in wool. Lion.
Lion.
A lion roars loudly in the zoo. Tiger.
Tiger.
The tiger walks with big paws. Elephant.
Elephant.
The elephant sprays water with its trunk. Monkey.
Monkey.
The monkey hangs from a tree. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
The rabbit hops in the garden. Frog.
Frog.
A frog sits on a lily pad. Snake.
Snake.
A snake crawls quietly. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
A butterfly lands on my hand. Bee.
Bee.
The bee flies near the flowers.
Ant.
Ant.
An ant carries a crumb. Spider.
Spider.
A spider spins a round web. House.
House.
My house has a red door. School.
School.
I learn fun things at school. Teacher.
Teacher.
Our teacher reads us stories. Student.
Student.
Every student brings a pencil. Bag.
Bag.
My school bag is packed. Pencil.
Pencil.
This pencil draws sharp lines. Eraser.
Eraser.
I use the eraser to fix my work. Notebook.
Notebook.
My notebook has a blue cover.
Clock.
Clock.
The clock ticks all day.
Watch.
Watch.
My watch shows the right time.
Bell.
Bell.
The bell rings at lunchtime.
Box.
Box.
The box is full of crayons.
Key.
Key.
I found a shiny key.
Wall.
Wall.
We painted the wall yellow.
Roof.
Roof.
The roof keeps us dry.
Fan.
Fan.
The fan makes cool air.
Light.
Light.
The light helps me read.
Television.
Television.
I watch animals on television.
Computer.
Computer.
The computer helps me play games.
Phone.
Phone.
My phone has colorful stickers.
Tablet.
Tablet.
I draw pictures on my tablet.
Radio.
Radio.
The radio plays funny songs.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.